Okay, we're going to look at the statistics part of paper 2, November 2020. Let's just get started. Here's um, a math teacher wants to figure out the relationship between a person's physics mark and math mark and see if there's any correlation, if one affects the other. And what they do is he has all these math marks. There's 15 students in their math marks. There's 15 the same 15 students. That's what they got in science. That's what you got on this table. The first question you're asked to do with this table here is to determine the equation of the least squares regression line. Find the regression line. Well, this is what you do. You hit mode and then you hit stat on your calculator, and then up will come this as one of the options, a plus bx. A will be your y-intercept, b is the gradient of the equation of the line that we're looking for. So all you do when you hit that, there's a table comes up. And now I'll show you, I've got it on a calculator right here. Let me just show you this calculator. I'm going to clear it there. Uh, I've got the data. I've already put all the data in here. So I'm going to hit 2. This thing will come up. And what you do is you just put all the math marks, 26, 62, 21 equals. You put all the math marks in. You put all the science marks in that table, 67. And you put all 15 marks in. And then you hit AC, which is clear. Now, all your answers for this thing is just in your calculator. You hit shift and then you hit stat down here. And then it says regression line. They asked about the regression line. That's why it's number 5. And there's your answer. There's your y-intercept. Just go 1 and go equals. The y-intercept is 9.5. You clear it and do it again. Shift stat, hit the number 5, and there's B, 2B. You go 2, a B, and it goes equals, and there is the gradient, 0.9091, like that. Let's go back and take a look at the that work. So when I hit 5 and then I hit B or A, I get these two answers. And there we go. A is 9.5. You don't want all those digits. You round it off. And B is 0.91. There it is, your regression line, right there like that. Okay, that's the whole thing, and that's how you do it. So remember, to get started, mode stat, and then look, after you hit stat, hit number 2. That's the regression line. Put in all your data, then you've got then hit AC and clear it, then go shift stat, and then hit regression line. There's some other things you can use in there too, besides B and A. There's a little R that's a correlation coefficient you might need for another question. And there's a little Y with a hat on and X with a hat on. And I just learned how they work. And we're going to look at it in the next video.